Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the remote machine so you can manage Instagram reliably. Enable Remote Desktop and confirm port 3389 is reachable from your network. Create a dedicated user account for Instagram work to separate sessions and reduce risk, and enable two-factor authentication where possible. Once done, install a modern browser and the Instagram web client or the Windows Instagram app so the interface behaves like your local device. This avoids mobile-only quirks and simplifies later automation steps. You now connect. Open your RDP client and choose network-level authentication to reduce attack surface. NLA prompts for credentials before a full session starts, which is faster and safer. If you must use public internet, route the RDP through a VPN or SSH tunnel to encrypt traffic and hide the endpoint. Make sure display resolution, clipboard, and file transfer settings match your needs. Lower resolution improves responsiveness, and clipboard sharing lets you copy-post text and images smoothly. You complete tasks by logging into Instagram on the remote desktop and confirming any 2FA codes on your phone. Keep your phone nearby. Upload photos or videos using drag and drop from the remote file system or schedule posts with a web scheduler. This mirrors the mobile workflow but runs on the remote machine. If something goes wrong, lag, login failures, or connection drops, restart the RDP session, verify the VPN or tunnel, and recheck port 3389 and account credentials before.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.